Yeah. Ebafethu kokuthini uThukzini? Uthi masirapha kumele siyenzeni kwaye? Uthe mangena mina bakhala abantu bakhaba phela mina ngiphume kasaphakamisa idust bathi uthini ngopro ngakhohlwa utriple S I'm chipping it real I'm straight angiyile nale phela mina ngiphume kasi sense ngidabalaza noma bakufela ka ungaphela umoya yenza lento I'm telling you baningi okunyeke babelieve winner I see them all faking bathi ngizothatha lo L I know I'm stronger than many people that think I am noma ngajimi ngiyeke ngisindo phakamisa ikasi babize bonke bazobona utriple ukhona show pro bheke phansi uyazibuza ngubani lentwani wave no faking bheka le haircut yanazi nina phela ngithanda ukungena ngama shortcut mambu rap what the fuck you tryna say to me babize bonke ngizobadishela amaplate beef ngapha ngibashaye ngesource sebabona ubunesti vele mina ngiphume kasifuna le mali eningi RIP pro kid nedog wiki rig singimane ngithule ngibuke phela lakusela ama fakes and when I rap I take you back listen ngihlala ixoxela kani uyangikhumbula usibongile ebathuthini ngopro ngokuhlanganisa lokho I'm sure you know I'm good enough the first time I started rapping bangihamba eskila ngebreak that's when I knew ukuthi lentwana leni ivutha back I'm really thankful to Pro Kid and Wiki Rig usibeke kahle phela thina kudala sidla ugodini intwana yasekasi yeah mangithanda ngibuya ngathi back ngibuye sengikhathena two asondela ngiyavuthela phela ngisathemba imuntu all these rappers talking behind my back bafeel let I know I'm the goat makufika ku rap ebathi uthini ngopro makungakhohlwa utriple intwana yasekasi sense ipush iphanda babuze nabaningi bayalazi udaba mazi yeah bayalazi udaba
okay bafethu inkulumo ezakhayo zadlala ne dlala Thukzini inkulumo ezakhayo uma sifuna ukubuyisa hip hop phela eMzansi number 1 uma ufuna hits ye hip hop ungaraphi kakhulu be like AKA mawukhipha ingoma ungashaya ingoma ethi ta prechana ngidekwareta ngidekwareta shaya into simple ta ta Johnny man ta yabo into sewazi ukuyicula nathi ta busha one way nje